Welcome to Lena Love, where Lena does all the stuff Lena loves.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Lena Love and I got a pretty cool video for you today. So basically, this is just a video about me decorating my office. If y'all seen my last video, you would have seen that basically I just moved and I'm going to be decorating my entire house. I'm letting you guys know there will be two storylines going on at the same time. Me getting ready for work and also me decorating my office. So with all that being said, I think this is going to be a very exciting video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
Alright y'all, so in my last video, I talked about how I was going to be cleaning the carpets. The carpets were already clean, but they had like this overpowering, flowery smell. So I wanted to go ahead and get everything out of this room so I could clean the carpets, and I did that off camera. Y'all, look how clean them carpets is. So I went ahead and brought everything back into the room. And this is what it looked like. Barao. So I went ahead and hung the curtains in the room. And place the lamps where they needed to go.
Yeah, you always make me feel like okay. You never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So y'all, I realized I needed some extra storage, so I went ahead and got this little bookcase so I can put my printer on it and all the other little things that I needed to go somewhere. And I also organized everything. So y'all, I got this whiteboard, this bulletin board, and I also got a stand for my laptop. And I removed the mirrors while moving so they wouldn't get broken. And this is me just putting them back in. So y'all see that mirror with the brown frame? Nah, that doesn't go on my decor. I gotta do something about it. I'm about to get ready to do some work. I'm about to paint the hell out of that mirror. Nice and white. Ooh, so satisfying. Alright y'all, so I ended up getting this picture hanger wire. I went ahead and measured the wall to make sure the mirror is going to be exactly centered to the room. And I got this little moon phase decoration. Expectation. Reality. It turned out great. So I also got this crescent moon decoration and hung it up as well. It's coming along, y'all. Evil eye. If you don't know what it means, look it up. I wanted to make sure this was exactly centered to the wall as well. And y'all, I need to know what day it is. So I got this chair cover for this old office chair I had. Much better.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
You always make me feel like home, yeah, you. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you. You got me feeling some type of way, yeah, you. You make me wanna stay in all day, yeah, you. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
All right, y'all, so my office is finally done. I really think it came together exactly how I wanted. I really just wanted this room to be somewhere where I can focus and be motivated and get a lot of work done. Not only do I do my 9 to 5 job in here, but this is also where I come up with all of my little YouTube ideas. So I spend about 8 to 12 hours a day in this room, Monday through Friday, and sometimes even on the weekends. So I really wanted to make sure that this room was exactly how I wanted it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and give me one of them likes. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on how I transform the next room. Bye, y'all.